channel. This is Miss Lowe, and let's practice Fairfax version of an old Irish blessing. And it has been a tradition where we sing this at our end of the year assembly. So let's go ahead and practice the singing and the hand motion together. Here we go. Remember, when do we stop singing? Is when your hands are touching your laps. When they rest on your laps, following Miss Lowe, resting your hands on your laps, that's when we stop singing, okay? Great job. Let's try that again. You can do it.